My father is from England, but he was adopted when he was quite young, so we don't have a lot of history from his side of the family.
He was always very different to his adopted parents and sisters and brothers.
We're all travelling and starting families in all corners of the world. More and more people now are searching for their identity.
People often ask where I'm from, what my background is. They can never guess. They start with Italian, Spanish, everything, Maltese.
But it'd be fantastic for our boys to find out exactly what they're made of and what they're made up of. Now that we've got the technology to do that, I just think it's unbelievable and so important.
I think potentially we'll be from places that we don't even imagine, which could be really quite interesting.
I'm not afraid of what I'm going to find out, unless I find out I'm half English.
So I'm going to start with you, Anthony. No real surprise. You're 56% Scottish.
Yeah.
42% English. That's interesting.
It is what it is.
So we're going to talk to you, Dad.
Oh, yes.
57% Scottish.
Scottish? Better than you.
We'll have to get you a kilt now.
So your birth mum, her name was Mary Ann. Mary Ann married in 1947 and she had 3 children.
Yeah.
So you don't just have 2 adoptive sisters, you now have 3 half-sisters. Now, on AncestryDNA, there's someone that's a really close match. So I'm not sure who's who, but I have 3 sisters.
Good. Oh, goodness.
So that's my sister.
They're your sisters.
Oh,
They're very keen to get in touch.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they're really keen to get in touch. So, Dad, how do you feel about this?
well, other than, you know, I like to be in touch with them.
Yeah, we can do that.
Well, I've got a little life left in me. I didn't. I didn't plan to go back, but this could be a reason to go back.
Yeah, absolutely, Dad. Yeah.
So that's what we need to do
Yeah.
to get there.
Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah. So was not knowing your family like a little burden in the back of your mind?
I felt it was for you that we needed to get this, and it's so good that you've done it, because as you get to 81, you think, well, I've got a nice quiet life to lead, and all of a sudden I've got some incredible things to do. When they were there on the Skype, I wanted to hug them.
You did, yeah. Your older sister, Jerry, described her only child daughter. She's about 10 years younger than me, and it was like they were describing me. It was quite bizarre. So it's going to be really nice to be able to build some relationships with some of my new cousins, and they have young kids, similar age to my kids.
It's terrific.
What would you say to people about doing the test? Do you think it's something people should do?
Anybody should jump in and just see what's around the corner. I couldn't have thought anything nicer than my Christmas present at 80 to do this.